Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0780 indicates a shift error within the continuously variable transmission CVT of the Honda Fit model from 2015 to 2020. This error is essentially a problem in the transmission's shift control system, which hinders the vehicle's ability to shift gears smoothly and efficiently. The detection of this code generally occurs when other related codes, such as P1898 and P1899, are present, indicating issues with the CVT drive and driven pulley pressure control valves. These components are critical for regulating the hydraulic pressure required for shifting. Proper hydraulic control ensures that the transmission shifts gears at the correct times for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. When the system is malfunctioning, it may lead to poor acceleration, erratic engine behavior, or even prevent the vehicle from moving at all. It is essential to approach this issue methodically and perform a thorough diagnostic to pinpoint the specific cause of the shift error. The DTC P0780 indicates a malfunction in the shift control system of the CVT, which is designed to change gear ratios smoothly without shifting. The critical components at play include the transmission fluid, HCF2, the drive pulley pressure control valve, and the driven pulley pressure control valve. These parts work together to manage the transmission's hydraulic pressure and maintain effective gear shifts. The HCF2 fluid itself acts as both a lubricant and a hydraulic medium that helps in shifting processes. In terms of location, these components are situated within the transmission assembly, typically found in the engine bay. Additionally, diagnostic data reveals that DTC P0780 is often accompanied by other DTCs like P1898 and P1899, which further complicate the diagnosis as they relate directly to the same system. Understanding the role of each component is crucial in repairing and restoring proper shifting functionality to the vehicle. The potential causes of DTC P0780 generally revolve around issues with the transmission fluid level and integrity. A low transmission fluid level can result in insufficient hydraulic pressure, leading to ineffective shifting. This situation can often stem from leaks in the transmission system or improper fluid maintenance. Faulty pressure control valves are another significant contributor. If these valves get stuck in either on or off positions, they can disrupt the hydraulic pressure that facilitates shifting. Lastly, worn components within the transmission itself can lead to failure in the shift control system, resulting in the DTC being stored. Each of these issues requires careful inspection and resolution to ensure the proper function of the transmission system. The symptoms associated with DTC P0780 can manifest in various ways, primarily affecting the vehicle's performance. Drivers may experience erratic shifting behavior, where the transmission does not change gears smoothly, which can lead to uncomfortable driving experiences. Additionally, slipping transmissions may occur, indicating that the vehicle struggles to engage effectively in the desired gear. As a result, there may be noticeable loss of acceleration, making it difficult for the vehicle to respond promptly to throttle input. Warning lights may also illuminate on the dashboard, prompting drivers to investigate transmission issues. If these symptoms arise, it is imperative to carry out a comprehensive troubleshooting approach to diagnose and rectify the underlying problems promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0780 involves checking the transmission fluid level and inspecting for any leaks. Begin by starting the engine and warming it up to the normal operating temperature, ensuring the radiator fan cycles on twice. This process allows for accurate fluid measurement as fluid expands when heated. After reaching the correct temperature, assess the transmission fluid level using the dipstick. It should be at the designated mark. If the fluid level is low, this could indicate a leak or improper maintenance. Next, drain the transmission fluid using the strainer. This step is crucial as it allows for an inspection of the strainer for any metal debris or excessive clutch material that could indicate internal wear or failure. Based on findings, if metal debris or excessive clutch material is present, the transmission may need replacement due to significant damage. After examining the transmission fluid and its state, move on to the next step in the troubleshooting process for DTC P0780. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode using the ignition switch. This allows the onboard diagnostic system to be accessed. Once in this mode, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC to reset the system. Following this, conduct a test drive by shifting to D position and accelerating up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. This testing procedure is essential to determine if the shift error persists during normal driving conditions. After reaching the required speed, slow down and stop. Then accelerate again from a standstill at full throttle. This sequence simulates various driving situations that can affect the transmission's performance. Turning off the engine and repeating the test will confirm whether the issue is resolved or if further diagnostics are needed. The final step in this troubleshooting sequence for DTC P0780 is to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs that may accompany the initial code. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to review the diagnostic results thoroughly. This is an important step since DTC P0780 is often linked to other transmission-related codes like P1898 and P1899, which indicate issues with specific pressure control valves. If any other DTCs show up, it is critical to address these codes according to their specific troubleshooting procedures. If no other DTCs are present, this suggests that the problem may be isolated to the control module. In such a case, perform a software update on the powertrain control module, PCM, if it does not have the latest software. If updates do not rectify the issue, substituting the PCM with a known good unit may be necessary to determine if the PCM itself is. Once the necessary repairs and adjustments have been completed, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue with DTC P0780 has been resolved. Start by taking the vehicle on a test drive, reproducing the conditions under which the original symptoms occurred. During this drive, monitor the vehicle's performance closely for any signs of erratic shifting or loss of acceleration. After completing the test drive, rescan the vehicle with the HDS to check for any lingering DTCs. The absence of the P0780 code post-repair indicates that the issue has been successfully resolved. Additionally, confirm that the vehicle is operating under normal conditions and not experiencing any further transmission-related problems, thereby ensuring a thorough and complete repair process. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0780 and associated shifting errors, implementing a robust preventive maintenance routine is essential. Regularly checking the transmission fluid levels and condition can help detect leaks or contamination early, which are critical for maintaining the integrity of the CVT system. Additionally, conducting periodic transmission inspections allows for the identification of worn components before they lead to more significant issues. It is also vital to ensure the PCM software is updated timely, as advances in software can rectify existing faults and improve vehicle performance. Following a structured maintenance schedule can greatly enhance the longevity and reliability of the transmission, thus reducing the downturn effects of transmission-related DTCs. In conclusion, The DTC P0780 highlights significant issues related to the shift control system of the Honda Fitz CVT. Understanding the role of each component in transmitting and managing hydraulic pressure is crucial in troubleshooting the issue effectively. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps methodically, technicians can efficiently pinpoint the source of the problem. Additionally, by implementing a solid preventive maintenance plan, vehicle owners can reduce the likelihood of encountering similar issues in the future. Recognizing the symptoms early on can lead to timely repairs, thereby enhancing vehicle safety and performance. Ultimately, regular inspections and maintenance form the backbone of ensuring long-lasting transmission health and operational efficiency. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.